All right, love, so I am like all red and stuff because it's hot, and it's not even really hot. It's 91, but it is very, very, very humid. I just got done basically doing all the chores. I'm still doing some laundry, and I already made the cocktail, or the shrimp cocktail, which is gonna be delicious. And yeah, so I wanted to show you guys or talk to you guys really, really quick. For me personally, like vlogging and all that, it works. It's the best thing for me right now because my kids are home and we're just crazy busy back and forth. And for me to like sit down and film something, I would have to do it like way, way late at night, and by that time I am exhausted because it's been a long day. Obviously, since I'm not going out, I'm not sharing, you know, like bag videos and all that, and don't think that I'm not interested in them. Like, I'm still obsessed, and I've seen some online and I'm like, oh my god, I want it. And if we weren't quarantined, I would be going here, I'd be going there, and I would pair it with this, and I'd be looking cute. But truth is, we're in quarantine. The best place is to be at home. So I don't know if you guys want to see kind of like more of my planners, like plan with me videos and all that. So this was my daily to-do type thing. I still got this one, but it's just kind of extra things for the week. It's more like goals that I need to do, like check the kids' grades, like the final stuff, and pick up medication, which I do gotta do today. That's the only thing. But yeah, it's just like I said, for me it's easier to vlog and do videos like these, like clean with me videos, and cooking if you guys want to see recipes and stuff, because I actually love to cook. I love to bake. I'm really getting into that lately. Obviously, you know, try not to eat out as much, and then with trying to lose weight more. So far I've lost 34 pounds, so that is like yay. But yeah, I'm just like slowly, you know, just trying to catch up with my life. That was my daughter passing by. But like I said, I don't want to like film and it's just boring, you know. Like, I wish life was back to the way it used to be, where we could go out and all that, but you know, it is what it is. But as long as we're staying safe, that is the most important thing. So only thing that's left on my to-do list is just, like I said, this little checklist that I have, and just pick up my medicines and feed the dogs, because they eat in the mornings and afternoon, and sort of our chickens. So and just change their water. But that's all that I have left on the list. I didn't get to groom Scarlett today and like the dog bedding, because I just didn't feel like dealing with more laundry today. I did already like 4 loads, but this is her bed, and so I usually just end up vacuuming it, you know, and wash a cushion inside this one. It's removable, and I keep it down here below my desk. But yeah, so I hope y'all can understand, and I know my channel was created basically on my purses, and a lot of you are here for that. But I also hope that you find some interest and you can relate to me. I'm just as real as it is. I'm just a mom, and I'm 35 years old. I have 2 babies, and I'm married to the most awesome and wonderful husband in the whole entire world. Even though we hate each other, and we've been through a lot of ups and downs, and we're gonna get separated. God has a funny way of saying, no, not now. And right now, through quarantine, you realize who your real friends are, who your true family is, who really is important, and that's exactly what is happening to me. So anyways, my loves, thank you so much for being here, for all your support, and for everything. And like I said, I apologize I haven't been here as much, but you know, life gets busy. But like I said, every Thursday I will be posting a new video, and I hope you'll enjoy. And if I can, I'll pop an extra video here and there. Honestly, I just need a routine, and I need to be on a schedule, because I am like going whoop-de-doo, you know. Quarantine life is what I call it. But yeah, I hope y'all are staying safe. Take care, and may God bless all of you. Wash your hands. If you go out, please wear a mask. We need to beat this dang COVID. Like, it needs to go like now, pronto, like ASAP, because you know, it's horrible. So yeah, besos, and I'll see you next video.